Is your epic game night constantly getting interrupted? Does your PS5 feel more like a paperweight than a powerhouse? From the dreaded no-signal black screen to overheating shutdowns. Disk drive nightmares or controllers with a mind of their own. We know exactly what's wrong. At Crux Hub, we don't just fix your PS5, we revive it. Our expert technicians tackle every common issue with precision and a passion for gaming. HDMI port replacement done. Overheating solved. Power supply issues, no problem. Disk drive jams, a thing of the past. And yes, even DualSense stick drift and battery issues, we got you covered. Don't let a faulty console ruin your gaming experience any longer.